9 cool toys and gadgets for next generation, Robo Chameleon, Power Treads, AirHogs Stunt Shots, and more. Hello and welcome back to Fanscreens. For today's video, we'll be going to talk about 9 cool toys and gadgets for next generation. Let's get started. Number 9. Misa. Misa is a robotic friend who will help you stay organized and informed on what's going on by reducing the amount of work you have to do. First and foremost, Misa is a toy that will keep your youngster occupied for several hours. Misa will chat with the kid while their parents are busy. It can also dance and play a lot of developing and interesting games with the child. Besides this, the robot has many other useful functions. For example, Misa will act as a smart speaker, turn on an alarm clock, set a timer, find information on the internet, and tell it to you to book a hotel or suggest a recipe. During the day, the robot can be sent to patrol the house. The robot has a built-in camera and a sound recorder, so the owner can see and hear what's going on at home while they're gone. Also, you can use a miser to make video calls and watch movies. It can even be programmed to take care of the elderly. For example, it will remind them when it's time to take their pills. There are really many useful functions. The Misa moves around the house completely independently, seeing and bypassing any obstacle. Misa will cost you at least $400. Number 8. Hiwonder SpiderPi. This is a smart toy that's both fun and helpful spider. SpiderPi is a product of the Chinese company Hiwonder. The device can teach its owner the basics of programming. It's equipped with high-resolution camera that supports color recognition and helps track objects. The robot uses ultrasound to find obstacles around it, successfully bypassing them. It also supports the ability to follow visual lines. If you know how to handle SpiderPi, it becomes a toy that will never let you get bored. The possibilities of the robot are endless. With the help of coding, it can be programmed to perform a variety of tricks. You can buy it for $580. Number 7. Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard. Even though this RC toy won't teach you anything special, it'll keep a restless child and replace other several toys. The secret of the Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard is that it has 2 functional positions. In the upright position, it rides like a normal car. When bent, though, it starts to roll like a wheel, and successfully overcomes obstacles and stairs. The price starts at $18. Number 6. HHD H6. We're willing to bet that the next product will please passionate fans of RC toys. Well, because it rids of the agony of having to choose, as it combines 2 toys into one. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle that transforms into a drone in seconds. With a couple of manipulations, the wheels of the vehicle are at the same time the propellers of the drone. The advantages of the toy, however, do not end there. The HHD H6 is equipped with a high-quality camera that takes photos, records videos. The image is transmitted in real time via Wi-Fi to the owner's smartphone. Some of you might think that this feature is meaningless because it's impossible to get a sharp image from a moving non-professional drone, and you'd be wrong, because the developers have given the drone the ability to hover motionless in the air, reducing the vibration to 0. The device is controlled with a special remote control, or again with a smartphone. The battery has enough power for 8 minutes of flying or 15 minutes of riding on the ground. The range of control is about 40 to 50 meters. The price is about $57. Number 5. Ganker. As a rule, most modern toys are designed for single users. That makes Ganker, a robot from the company OZ Robotics, more valuable. This toy is designed to spend time with friends and gives a unique opportunity to try yourself in robot battles. The controls are moderately simple, intuitive, and perform using a special app installed on your smartphone. To win in a battle against other players, you have to train. The developers of Ganker robots offer to improve your skills while inventing and customizing the robot's weapons and armor elements. Thus, each robot can be absolutely unique. Advanced players can create special commands and movements for the robot through coding. It's noteworthy that although the toys are involved in battle, they don't actually harm each other, so you don't have to worry about any damages. Robots don't strike for real. They only touch each other. These touches are read by special sensors, and that's how the game determines which of the rivals has more winning points. One robot will cost you $400. Number 4. SilverLit Robo Chameleon. If your child dreams of having a pet but they're not quite ready for it, yet a good option is to give them a robotic animal. Like the SilverLit is a very cute chameleon that changes the color of its back, and Crest sticks out his tongue to move objects or pick up special tokens that are used as food. The price is about $40. Number 3. Böhm Stirling Peugeot AP172. As you know, not all toys in the world are created exclusively for children. Some had such complex designs and so many small elaborate details that only an adult can really appreciate them. The car you see on your screen is one of them. This is the Peugeot AP172 from Böhm Stirling. This is a collectible toy model of the Peugeot Quadritel produced in the 1920s. An interesting and important feature of the toy is that it has no radio control. Instead, the developers equipped the model with a tiny 4-cylinder engine in which additional has a car drone to drive the rear wheels. The Peugeot AP172 is capable of moving for 10 minutes, after which the engine needs time to cool down. The screws are made of stainless steel. The wheels, headlight bezels, and radiator grille are made of brass. The main material used is aluminum. It's noteworthy that the car is also a construction set. The estimated assembly time is 3 hours. The price is about $480. Number 2. Power treads. But let's go back to RC cars. Most of them share a common drawback. Their limited mobility. They can only drive on smooth surfaces and get stuck if they accidentally run out onto the bare ground or grass. Power tread is a toy that's an exception to this rule. Its unique shape gives the machine amazing cross-country mobility for its size. It moves over all types of surfaces and playfully overcomes obstacles. This means that you can create obstacle courses for it. The cost is $30. Number 1. AirHogs Stunt Shot. Let's finish our video with another amazing radio control car. As you can see, the main feature of the stunt car from AirHogs are its huge soft wheels. First of all, they allow the vehicle to overcome obstacles and get into the most unexpected places. And secondly, to do it without damaging the furniture or the people around it. Stunt Shot doesn't leave behind any scratches, even if it moves on delicate surfaces. The price of the toy is $25. So, what are your thoughts about the topic? Do you think this video is useful? Please let me know by leaving a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!